Gordon Ramsay made his TV debut on which competitive cooking show? Gordon Ramsay made his TV debut on which competitive cooking show? Now I'll give you a list of the options. The very first option is Cutthroat Kitchen. The second option is British Bake Off. The third option is Master Chef. And the very last option is Iron Chef. So from these four options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? Now we'll give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Master Chef. So that is the correct answer for the question, Master Chef. The third option is the correct one, Master Chef. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find these videos very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you want to share this video with your friend to any social media that you wish, just go ahead, click this button. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, and etc. etc. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another lovely and sweet video. Bye bye. See you again.